and you take the naturally occurring lucid dream data, run it through that transformer, and then the transcranial focused ultrasound replicates that neural firing.
People who view this as, look, these are just algorithms. They're just repeating what it's seen on.
You think about like the big, kind of uptick in psychedelics or spiritual experiences.
We are seeing the Chinese AI is getting to be almost as good.
I think there are responsible people there trying to figure out how to approach this technology, and so are we.
You got like, your EEG sensors, ultrasound transducers that actually do the transcranial focused ultrasound, and then you have the neural chip.
Dream Control Revolution. Prophetic, a trailblazer in the realm of artificial intelligence, has unveiled its groundbreaking AI device, Morpheus-1, aiming to delve into the mysteries of human consciousness through the exploration of lucid dreams. Claiming the title of the world's first multimodal generative ultrasonic transformer, Morpheus-1 brings together cutting-edge technology in neuroscience. This innovative device utilizes a halo-like headband with advanced sensors to detect brain waves, orchestrating a fusion of machine learning, EEG data, and ultrasound waves during REM sleep. At the heart of Morpheus-1 lies its ability to induce and control lucid dreams. The device operates by employing ultrasound beams to stimulate specific brain areas associated with conscious dreaming during REM sleep phase. This intricate blend of technology and neuroscience opens up new possibilities for users to actively participate in and manipulate their dream states. Morpheus-1 core functionality revolves around its halo-like headband, a sophisticated piece of hardware equipped with advanced sensors. These sensors play a pivotal role in detecting and interpreting brain waves, particularly during the REM sleep stage when dreaming occurs.
And the focused ultrasound activates the prefrontal cortex, which we know is the neuroscientific definition of a lucid dream.
I think there are responsible people there trying to figure out how to approach this technology, and so are we.
If humanity is diminished by this enormous capability,
the device then employs ultrasound beams to stimulate targeted brain regions, providing users with a unique avenue to influence and control their dreams. Morpheus-1 is not just a conceptual marvel, it is a tangible and practical device designed for seamless integration into users' lives. The incorporation of onboard batteries, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi ensures uninterrupted operation throughout the night, facilitating continuous exploration of lucid dreams. A companion app enhances the user experience by tracking sleep phases and collecting valuable dream data. This data is instrumental in refining the AI models that power Morpheus-1, contributing to a more personalized and effective dream manipulation. As the anticipation for Morpheus-1 grows, Prophetic has officially announced the commencement of the beta program, scheduled to kick off in the upcoming spring. This phase marks an exciting opportunity for users to take their initial steps into the realm of controlled lucid dreaming with Morpheus-1. Prophetic is actively seeking applications from individuals eager to be part of this groundbreaking experience, inviting them to join the beta testing phase. Morpheus-1 represents a significant leap in the fusion of artificial intelligence and neuroscience. The device's capacity to decode and manipulate dreams not only opens up new horizons in entertainment and self-discovery, but also holds promise to scientific research into the intricacies of human consciousness. Prophetic's venture into the uncharted territory of controlled lucid dreaming aligns with a growing interest in leveraging AI to explore and understand the depths of the mind. The advent of Morpheus-1 raises intriguing questions about the future implications of AI in shaping subjective experiences, particularly in realms as intimate as dreams. While the device offers an exciting prospect for users to actively participate in their dreamscapes, it also brings forth ethical considerations regarding privacy, the potential impact on mental well-being, and the boundaries between reality and the dream world.
Are multi-element, so we have steering, but we can go left, right, up, down, and then we can adjust the actual lens of the transducer to get depth.
Are here to help people, whether you're at work or at home in your personal lives. It's to help you get more.
People who view this as, look, these are just algorithms. They're just repeating what it's seen on.
Prophetic's Morpheus-1 stands at the forefront of AI innovation, pushing the boundaries of what technology can achieve in tandem with our understanding of human consciousness. The device's integration of advanced sensors, ultrasound technology, and machine learning not only positions it as a revolutionary tool for lucid dreaming, but also paves the way for broader conversations about the ethical and psychological implications of such technological advancements. Lucid Dream Tech. Morpheus 1, Prophetic's groundbreaking AI device, has emerged as a potential game changer in the AI industry, boasting the capability to profoundly influence how we perceive and interact with artificial intelligence. At its core, Morpheus 1 is designed to initiate and maintain lucid dreams, a state where individuals are conscious within their dreams, opening up the possibility of dream control. The implications of this technology extend far beyond the realm of sleep, sparking interest in the broader applications it might hold. The primary function of Morpheus 1 revolves around inducing and stabilizing lucid dreams. Through a halo-like headband embedded with advanced sensors, the device taps into the intricacies of brain waves, particularly during the rapid eye movement phase of sleep. During this phase, Morpheus 1 employs ultrasound beams to stimulate specific brain areas where associated with conscious dreaming. This fusion of cutting-edge technology and neuroscience offers users a unique pathway to control their dream states. The significance of Morpheus 1 lies not only in its ability to unlock the mysteries of lucid dreaming, but also in its potential impact on the broader field of artificial intelligence.
You think about like the big, kind of uptick in psychedelics or spiritual experiences.
Work and deploy it in a beneficial way. But at the same time, it can be very harmful if deployed wrongly.
We are seeing the Chinese AI is getting to be almost as good.
The device operates by blending machine learning, EEG data, creating a multimodal generative ultrasonic transformer. This amalgamation positions Morpheus 1 as a pioneer in exploring human consciousness through the lens of lucid dreams. One key aspect that sets Morpheus 1 apart is its practicality. Beyond being a conceptual marvel, this device is designed for seamless integration into users' lives. Equipped with onboard batteries, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi capabilities, Morpheus 1 ensures uninterrupted operation throughout the night. This continuous exploration of lucid dreams aligns with the device's overarching goal of providing users with a tangible means to delve into and potentially control their dreams. The device's features extend further with a dedicated companion app that enhances the user experience. The app tracks sleep phases and collects data on dreams, contributing to the refinement of the AI models steering Morpheus 1. This integration of user data not only adds a personalized dimension to the device's functionality, but also positions it as an evolving system that adapts to individual sleep patterns and dream experiences. As Prophetic officially announces the beta program for Morpheus 1, slated to commence in the upcoming spring, excitement surrounding the device continues to grow. The beta phase represents a crucial step in allowing users to embark on their initial journey into controlled lucid dreaming. Prophetic has opened its doors for applications for beta testing, inviting individuals eager to be pioneers in this groundbreaking experience. The potential impact of Morpheus 1 on the AI industry is noteworthy. Its ability to merge advanced technology with neuroscience not only pushes the boundaries of what is achievable in lucid dreaming, but also sets a precedent for how AI can be harnessed to explore and understand human consciousness. Unlocking Dream Realms. Prophetic's Morpheus 1 stands at the forefront of cutting-edge AI technology, with its sophisticated AI model boasting an impressive 103 million parameters. This powerhouse is meticulously trained to decipher the complexities of human consciousness and, remarkably, to manipulate it through the realm of artificial intelligence. What sets Morpheus 1 apart is its ingenious use of sound waves for neurostimulation, creating ultrasonic holograms capable of inducing lucid dreams. In essence, Morpheus 1 operates in a non-invasive manner, akin to the user-friendly experience of a VR set. This innovation has sparked immense interest, especially within the expansive lucid dreaming community on platforms like Reddit, which boasts a staggering 500,000 enthusiasts. The non-intrusive design of Morpheus One emerges as a key selling point, distinguishing it from other technologies attempting to delve into the realm of dream control.
You got like, your EEG sensors, ultrasound transducers that actually do the transcranial focused ultrasound, and then you have the neural chip.
The goal of improving their knowledge, success, health, and happiness. So that's how I think about our company.
And it's trying to put together an answer for you.
So the AI is reading all those links?
Yes, and it comes up with an answer.
The amalgamation of artificial intelligence, neurostimulation, and ultrasonic holograms positions Morpheus One as a groundbreaking device. The 103 million parameter AI model serves as the brain of this operation, interpreting the intricacies of human consciousness in a bid to provide users with a pathway to control their dreams. The use of sound waves for neurostimulation adds a layer of innovation, introducing an element of interactivity in the dream-inducing process. One of Morpheus One's notable attributes is its comparison to a VR headset, ensuring a user-friendly and non-intrusive experience. This characteristic has sparked significant interest among avid followers of lucid dreaming, a community that values accessible and effective tools for exploring the depths of the dream world. The residence of Morpheus One within the lucid dreaming community, especially on platforms like Reddit, signifies the potential impact of this device in fulfilling the dreams of those eager to unlock the mysteries of conscious dreaming. As Morpheus One steps into the spotlight, it not only showcases technological prowess, but also opens up new possibilities for individuals keen on harnessing the power of AI to explore the realms of their own consciousness. The beta program announcement further amplifies the anticipation, inviting enthusiasts to become pioneers in the realm of controlled lucid dreaming. Morpheus One emerges not only as a device, but as a symbol of intersection between technology and the boundless landscapes of human imagination. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.